Now we've made sure that we're down at the end and all of our photos are organized properly, right? If that's not the case, you need to go back and finish this job before you continue watching this movie. But if you're done like me, then we are actually finished with our photos program, so we can close that. And at this point I'm also going to hide my help movies because I'm going back to a single monitor just like you have. And the next thing we're going to open up is our patterns book. So double click on that. Take a moment. Or two. There we go. And this project file is locked because we want everybody to start with a fresh project. So with that in mind, we're going to go up to the File menu, and we need to make sure that it says Keynote up here. If it says Chrome or Finder or anything else, you need to click somewhere on this window to make Keynote active. Then we're going to go to the File menu and we're going to choose Duplicate. And that actually makes a new window. So we've got our copy and we've got our locked one. So go back to the locked one and we're going to close it. So click on the little red close button, and now we've got our copy that we can actually work with. What's going to be helpful at this point is making sure that our Keynote window is nice and big so that we can see a little bit of space around our slide here. We can see all of our slides, and this section here we can make, I guess we can't make that wider, but something like that is great. Then we're going to go back to the File menu and we're going to save this. And where it says Save As up here, it's already selected, so all we have to do is start typing, and type in your name and your partner's name. And we want to make sure that it's saved on the desktop. So make sure you click Desktop over on the left hand side here. We're also going to see it up there. And we've got our names, and we'll click the Save button. We can see we've got our names up at the top, and in our case we can see our file got saved onto the desktop. So that's great. Once you've got this far, you can watch the next movie.